It began in the 70s, and it began, I would say, by coincidence. The founder of the company, my uncle, started the business creating at home his own recording systems and sound systems for a local orchestra that was located in his village. He was studying engineering in Barcelona, nothing to do with sound. But, you know, it was a small village, and as people knew that Juan was becoming an engineer, they asked him, hey, would you mind to just prepare something for us, just in order we could record our own, you know, sessions? And that's the way he started in the business. The thing that I have learned from him the most is the way he thinks globally. He thinks about the feasibility of the product, how feasible is manufacturing it, what's the margin, how are we going to sell it. I mean, he's always thinking on the production, you know, that kind of things. He sees things that others don't see, you know what I mean? It's like he can predict some movements in the future, and you know, he's very clever. It gives us flexibility. Knowing what we have in mind, knowing what type of system we are going to develop, we can, you know, attack directly the target. So it also speeds up the process for us, and obviously it's cheaper if we compare with another manufacturers. We don't have to buy and to pay for an extra margin, and it gives us our own character. It's part of our DNA, having our own transducers and compression drivers. This technology was launched like 4 or 5 years ago. One of the main factors was that we produce self-powered cabinets. And in the Aero Series 2, we have Aero 40 and Aero 20 with very powerful DSPs built inside the amplifiers. They are capable of having a lot of resources. So we just took this as a chance to improve and to bring the systems to a higher level. We are based here in Spain. We manufacture all products here in Spain, but we have subsidiaries around the world. The biggest one right now is in DAS of America, DAS South of America. And we have also DAS do Brasil since 2 years ago. We have people in Singapore, we have people in Uruguay. The way we interact with them is daily, via mail, via phone, but we have also people traveling to the different subsidiaries. You know, when the company decides, because of X or Y factors, that we have to discontinue an iconic product like the Aero 28, because a new one was coming, like the Aero 12A, there are others, many others. I mean, like personal decisions to be taken with people. For me, Aero series in general, complete linear race series, it was a complete different vision for the company and a different approach to the market. Since the year 2002, 2004, we launched the first units, and now we are almost with the third generation of linear race. That name, that brand has changed our company completely. For me, last 3-4 years developing the new linear race series, Aero Series 2, Aero 40 and Aero 20, which has been a real challenge because there is a lot inside those systems. Inside, I mean, the DSP processing, the DAS-AIM technology, DAS-net software, monitoring software. Yeah, I mean, it has been a hard project and a lot of resources and a lot of falling, going up again. You know, that is my proudest, personally, my proudest moment, yeah.